Hey guys, Dr. Ray here from Chiropractic Plus, and I'm wearing my Bob Seger shirt. I don't know if you can see that. We went to go see the Bob Seger concert, and he was amazing. But the point of this is this. This was his third reschedule. Why? Because his body is sick. He is expressing illness and sickness and disease, so he's constantly having to reschedule his tour dates because he's simply not a healthy guy. Now, what does Bob Seger have access to, as many people do, many superstars, if you will? Unlimited money, unlimited access to medical care, and yet they're all sick and diseased as well. So what is different? Well, I got to give Sammy some credit. Okay, on this last cycle, when we were talking about how we can encourage people to come to the event, and she created a quiz, and it was actually quite effective. If you have not taken the quiz, it's either on your chair or talk to the front desk or talk to me specifically, and let's get you going on that quiz. Now, again, I mentioned already, it's the inflammation quiz. Why is it an inflammation quiz? Because we got our seminar coming up. It's called Inflammation Nation. It's all about why our bodies are so sick and diseased, and the root of it is inflammation. And we're going to find out we did it to ourselves. That's the crazy part of it. So take the quiz. If you get a 0 or a 6, 0 from a 6 or less, guess what? You don't necessarily have to come to the event. I encourage it still, because knowledge is power, and application of that is what got you below that 6. I've had 5 patients fill it out right now, and they got less than that. And a lot of them, there's a 3, you get a 3 score minimum if you're over 40, and a lot of them are over 40, and yet they're under 6. You see how amazing that is? That's because they've applied the principles that we've taught. Now this one is going to be transformational event. It's on Inflammation Nation, as I said. It's going to be the 14th at 6:30 p.m. That's a Thursday, so save that date. I'm trying to give you as much advance notice as we can without waiting too long. Save that date, reserve it, and more critically, get your ticket starting today. Walk on up to the front desk. If you're watching this on YouTube, 303-254-8430 is the number, but let's get you to that event. And equally important, let's save everybody else. Let the world learn. Let you learn about what we did, and then maybe the world will start to learn, and maybe Bob Seger won't die young from cancer of the throat and the other things that he was manifesting. We don't want to lose all these people. I want to go to his concerts forever if I can. I mean, obviously nobody lives forever, but if we can get the world healthier, we're going to need less medical care, less intervention, and we're going to have a better, happier, healthier life. So come to that seminar. Make the time. Make the time. You want to know why? Because you're freaking worth it. You are worth it. So make that time for you.